Okay, magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ang pag-aaralan natin ay divisibility by 9 or divisible by 9. In divisibility by 9, look at the number. We add all the digit of each number. Then, the answer is multiple of 9. Ibig sabihin, yun po ay divisibility by 9. Example. Okay, 369 is divisible by 9. Why? Because if you add 3 plus 6 plus 9, so 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9 equals 18. 18 is multiple of 9. So, ibig sabihin po, 369 is divisible by 9. Okay, yun lang po at sana may naintindihan kayo under divisibility by 9. Okay, thank you for watching. Salamat po.